Know what this is a picture of? Give up? It's a polar bear eating a marshmallow in a snowstorm. There you are!
I was hoping school might be canceled. I couldn't finish my dumb E-U-U-U-L-L-L. Duh.
Sorry I'm late. Let's jump right into work.
Bad news. The storm is getting worse. The building's lost electricity, so the school is closed.
All right. Now I have extra time to do my history report.
As you exit, hand in your history reports on the pioneers. I could give you an F, but I won't.
This is nothing.
Welcome to Toyland, Kate.
Oh, here's your Google berries. Oh.
Daddy, power's out. Can't finish my report without a computer. I'm going to build a snowman.
Keep working.
I bet I'm the only person in town not having fun.
I must go or I'll never get tomorrow's lesson.
TV3 Harrisonburg.
Don't worry, there's a 0% chance of freezing rain.
The town is exploding and it's very pretty.
I tried all night, but the...
It's too cold to write.
Yes, we still have power, Oliver.
It's 10 o'clock. Now, live from Iowa's leading news station. Ann Hawkins, Rick Swalwell, Dave Nixon with weather, and Heidi Saladay with sports. This is TDA News live at 10.
Good evening.
Power is out across most of the country, and food supplies are low.
Is that all the milk, eggs, and bread there are?
Yep, no deliveries can get through. Lucky for me, I got the last loaf. First come, first served. Sorry.
The storm shows no sign of stopping. Things are going to get worse before they get better.
Why eat beans when we have all this food?
I wouldn't eat that junk if I was you. Besides, it's all froze.
I hate school.
Mr. Haney, he didn't mean it.
I want to go home. Beans.
Daddy, my hairdryer is broken, and the TV is broken, and the light in the kitchen is broken. Daddy, my hairdryer is broken, and the TV is broken, and the TV is broken, and the light in the kitchen is broken.
Nothing's broken, Muffin. Our electricity is out.
Make it be fixed, Daddy.
No, I can't, Poochie Face.
I couldn't buy any food, but everyone brought what they had. I'll mix it all up and make stew.
The storm's going to end soon.
Oh, give me a break.
Hey, it stopped snowing. We're not gonna die in the heat. I told you so.
And now, our feature presentation.
If your power is out, keep watching this station, and we'll tell you when to expect it to be turned on again.
The power's back on.
Faster and more annoying than an...